following video may contain images not suitable for younger viewers. Viewer discretion is advised. Welcome to a Valentine's Day special unboxing. We have two Paka Paka Villainous Valentines by Funko to open. This series was released in 2022, but was late to arrive in New Zealand, so we held back the video for Valentine's Day this year. However, they've now seemingly sold out. There are pop-size versions still available. And don't forget to like and subscribe. You can do it secretly in the spirit of Valentine's, and it's cheaper than dinner and a movie. There are 15 in this series to collect, with 2 super common, 5 common, 5 chase, 2 hyper rare, and 1 in 36 pink and white Paka Paka dragon. On to Orb 1. It's Darling.
Sexy.
That behaviour's unacceptable.
And Orb 2. It's Black Flocked Darling.
Hey Barbara, wanna
Unlike previous Paka Paka series, this one was seemingly popular, but these farmyard and wilderness miscreants follow the same double dipping as all Paka Paka series, as most characters appear twice, with either colour, glitter, or a flocked variant. The cute disposition juxtaposed with their clear murderous intent actually sees some reasonable quality control, and surprisingly, even the flock characters look good. Lest we forget 2017's Flock Tiggergate scandal Funko would love to disavow any knowledge of. Overall, this devilish series, with its cutesy killers, probably isn't the first thing that would come to mind when buying a gift for your Valentine. Slightly mixed message and all. Lorena Bobbitt didn't get one of these, did she? But for now, happy Valentine's Day.
Oh yeah. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, shear it. Shear me.